The Janakpur Jayanagar Railway is a narrow-gauge railway that connects the city of Janakpur in Nepal with Jayanagar in the Indian state of Bihar. The railway is about 29 kilometers long, with 21 kilometers of the railway line in Nepal and the remaining 8 kilometers in India. The railway was originally built during the colonial period in the early 20th century and was primarily used for the transportation of goods between Nepal and India. In recent years, there has been renewed interest in the railway as a means of promoting tourism in the region. In 2018, the railway was upgraded and modernized with Indian assistance, and regular passenger services resumed in December 2018. The railway is now a popular tourist attraction, with visitors able to experience a scenic journey through the countryside and visit the holy city of Janakpur, which is an important pilgrimage site for Hindus. The railway has also become an important symbol of the close cultural and historical ties between Nepal and India, and the Janakpur Jayanagar Railway is seen as a potential starting point for the development of a wider railway network connecting Nepal with India and beyond. The Janakpur Jayanagar Railway is a narrow-gauge railway that connects the city of Janakpur in Nepal with Jayanagar in the Indian state of Bihar. Here are some of the facilities available on the railway. Passenger coaches. The railway operates passenger coaches with both first-class and second-class seating facilities. The coaches are air-conditioned and comfortable, with large windows to take in the scenic views. Food and drinks. The railway has a pantry car that serves a variety of food and drinks during the journey. Toilets. The coaches have clean and well-maintained toilets for passengers. Luggage storage. There is space available for luggage storage in each coach. Ticketing. Passengers can purchase tickets at the railway station or online. There are also mobile ticketing services available. Wheelchair accessibility. The railway provides wheelchair accessibility in some of its coaches. Tourist services. The railway offers tourist packages that include guided tours of Janakpur and other nearby attractions. Overall, the Janakpur Jayanagar Railway provides a comfortable and enjoyable experience for passengers, with facilities that cater to their needs. The railway has become a popular tourist attraction, offering visitors a unique way to experience the culture and scenery of the region.
यात्रीगण ध्यान दियो बिना टिकट के ट्रेन में यात्रा नहीं करो यात्रीगण ध्यान दियो बिना टिकट के ट्रेन में यात्रा नहीं करो बिना टिकट के ट्रेन में यात्रा करबे त अहाँके फाइन मारल जाए और अपन सामान के सुरक्षा अपने करू यात्रीगण ध्यान दियो अपन सामान के सुरक्षा अपने करू धन्यवाद
Excuse me. Sorry?
दरभंगा लग जाएगी 13:40 पर प्लेटफॉर्म संख्या 4 से रवाना होगी यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें
ध्यान दियो, अपन सामान के सुरक्षा अपने करो। यात्रीगण ध्यान दियो, अपन सामान के सुरक्षा अपने करो।
जयनगर गाड़ी संख्या 110 और 2 कमल एक्सप्रेस जयनगर दरभंगा समस्तीपुर छपरा कोविड लोकमान्य तिलक बजाय देवघर रायगढ़ 0 प्लेटफॉर्म संख्या 3 पर प्रस्थान करें। यात्रीगण कृपया गाड़ी संख्या 0